How's it going today, guys? My name is Mike Ulrich, and today I'm going to give you a video walkthrough on a fresh trade that we just took in. This one is a phenomenal opportunity that if you're looking to get into the boating lifestyle, this one's a great one to come take a look at. This is the 2022 Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard. It was one of the first ones that came out, and this one came out loaded. I'm talking select all, every option. This boat has it. If you want it, you need it, come get it. All right, on the back of this boat, we're going to have a white Mercury 300. That was the max horsepower for this model year. This one is equipped with the stone interior. You'll see that this is the SLX. You're going to see that diamond stitching throughout the boat, and you're going to see some of the great features that the SLX package has integrated. Starting off in the back of the boat, you'll see that you step down. It comes with a doggy door. Close that off, keep little kids inside, little dogs inside. Everybody's going to be safe. You've got the teak step here on the side. What this is for is you open this up. If you come into a dock that's a little bit higher at high tide and you pulled into a fixed dock situation, you have an easy access point to get up and out or into the boat easily. As you'll come in, you'll see the flooring. This is the infinity woven vinyl. This is removable, easy cleaning, and it is gray that complements and matches the interior. With an SLX, you'll see that the stitching and the pattern is much different than all the other Sea Ray models because their SLX is the top line. So this one is a hinged seat. You'll see it's finished nice underneath. This is a great spot for a designated cooler. You can slide in or out, and you can open the front. So if your guests are taking a seat here, you don't have to ask anybody to move. You can access it easily. Every seat is going to be hinged up and down. Finished fiberglass on the inside. This one you can actually access all the way in the back of the boat. Great for water toys. There is a table that mounts in here as well, turning this whole area into a dining area. Great for conversation. But you'll notice that this one has some serious shade. Guys, this is Sea Ray's power tower. So what this boat does is with a touch of a button from two vantage points, the first one being right here, you see it says tower up or down. It doesn't just lean forward. The whole tower actuates and clamshells down all the way down to the windshield. So if it's raining here in Florida, you can simply drop this down and everybody is out of the way. It is nice, it is comfortable, it is convenient. And on the back, you've got more shade integrated into it. Simply push this out. It's going to go all the way back to the engine, putting the whole sun pad aft into shade. Up in the front, you're going to see what makes the SLX, and that is going to be your entertainment area here. So both these suites do swivel 360. You can change the distance to and from the dash to be comfortable. But right here, when you're at the helm station, this is where you're in control. So you're going to have twin Simrad 9-inch displays. Once you get into the SLX lineup, twin screens become a standard feature. On this, you're going to have great spots to put your phone or tablet. You're going to have wireless charging pads integrated and hidden into the back of the boat. You're also going to notice that you don't see a lot of speakers on this boat. That's because in the SLS package, everything is concealed. So the speakers are actually hidden in the interior, giving you just a different look when you're out and about on the water. Over here on this side, again, speaker hidden back here, wireless charging pad hidden in the back, your bolster seat. These are the racing bucket seats that you get. But in here, for a long day on the water, you've got easy access to a bathroom. So I'll go ahead and open this up. It does lock nice and tight, so when you're underway, you don't need to worry about that bathroom opening up. As you can see, I had to make sure it was completely unlocked before the boat opened. But as you transition into the bow, you'll see some more of those great SLS features. So right here, you've got drop-down armrest on both sides, great grab rail right here. So when you're up in the front of this boat, you're very, very comfortable, you feel safe, and you've got a great leather wrap stainless steel cup holder perfectly by your side. And again, the speaker's hidden. It's a cool feature. I got to point it out because nobody else does it that way. On the front of this one, you do have the windlass. As I said, this one is a select all, so you have the windlass anchor bundle on it. You also have the pressurized water here in the front, an additional one in the back. What that's great for is rinsing off that anger, rinsing off the feet when you're coming on and out of the sandbar. Great to have it in the front or back of the boat. Guys, this is a 2022 Sea Ray 260 SLX. If you'd like to come take a look at it, it's located right here at MarineMax Venice. My name's Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.